hinted a while back that I had a bit of a secret squirrel project coming up, so I'm going to do the unboxing now with you, and it's going to go on the back of our TALi Caravan. This was kindly donated to me, and I'm not going to tell you who by yet because that would be a real giveaway, but I will tell you that shortly. So it's pretty big, it's pretty heavy. I'm just not going to show you watching me get this outside. Very well packed. So, that's a bit of a hint. I'll hide that. This is beautiful, and I'm going to make it very much me. I don't know if you can see that. So I will show you, if I can get it out. Hang on. Got Ethan here helping me today. So can you see this beautiful street library? So this beauty is going to go on the back of TALi. It'll be halfway side, and I've already got a whole stack of books that I'm going to be putting in it, that I've been setting aside. I'm going to paint it with a white undercoat to start with, and then I'm going to let you guys try and guess what I'm painting. It might be fairly obvious for my mutual geeky friends once I start painting it, but yeah, let me know what you think it might be. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.